the most underappreciated plant-based burgers ever.
Boca Burgers.
Today, we're making Boca Burgers 2 ways. First way is fast. Second way takes 10 minutes longer. The first way takes like 2 minutes. But if you do this right, you have some shredded lettuce already, you have your tomato slices, you have pickles, mustard, and ketchup ready to go. Or your condiments and toppings of choice. Normally I would put onion on this too, but Derek is going to eat it, and raw onions and Derek do not get along. Therefore, no raw onion for me today. Anyway, to do this properly, you want to start with your bun.
Everybody likes a toasty bun.
Just don't squeeze your buns.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte giorno di torno girando.
While your bun is toasting, grab a burger, put it on a microwave-safe plate, and stick it in the microwave. I don't normally like the microwave, but for this, it actually works really, really well. 1 minute is all you really need.
Delle belle turbando al riposo, narcisetto d'amore.
After 1 minute, flip the burger. Apply cheese. This happens to be diet cheddar slices, but use the cheese of your choice. Preferably plant-based, since, this is a plant-based channel and all. Microwave, 30 seconds. Retrieve your burger. Sit down, because the plate's hot. Okay, we also have our bun is done. Now, toasty buns should sound, kind of like that. Now we assemble. A little chaotic here today, folks. Okay, normally I would put mayonnaise on it too. We're out of mayonnaise, sorry. So no mayonnaise for us today. But anyway, let's take our burger and try to get all that cheese. I say that with the quotes because, we all know it's not really cheese. It's starches and stuff. Just get it all on there because, it's good stuff. Some lettuce. Some more lettuce. This one's too big. We had baby tomatoes, so 2 slices of tomato. Pickles. I prefer 3, but you may do as many or as few as you like. And now for the condiments. Ketchup, my favorite sauce. It's like the most universal of sauces. And if you don't think it's a sauce, it's a sauce.
We use a Hunts's Simply ketchup.
No artificial sugars added.
Yeah.
So no high fructose corn syrup. It's real sugar instead of fake sugar. And then mustard. I'm using the only kind of mustard that exists to me, which is Gould's Spicy Brown. However, you may use the mustard of your choice and gently press down. All in all, that took less than 4 minutes to make that burger. Now I'm just gonna cut it in half. We're gonna grab the camera to cut it in half though, so that it looks all cool and stuff.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo. Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor, delle belle turbando al riposo, narcisetto a dolcino.
So we got our burgers. Moment of truth. There you go, baby. This isn't so much like a review. It's just, we're gonna eat. We happen to be using whole wheat buns too. These things are awesome. These are Arnold whole wheat buns, right? Why do I like Boca Burgers so much? First, they taste meaty. Second, they're a great size. Third, they cook so fast, and they just have a great texture. They are a soy-based product, and you know what? That's just the way it is. You want to make sure that you get the actual vegan ones. They do make some that are not vegan, but they're vegetarian. The vegan ones are the ones you want. So what's your verdict on burger number 1 done in the microwave?
Does it taste like a microwave burger? No.
No, it really doesn't.
Does it taste better than Impossible and Beyond? Yes.
Yeah, we're not huge fans of the Impossible and Beyond burgers, which is kind of funny. Impossible tastes better than Beyond. I will say that. I've had the Impossible Whopper and it was good. Actually pretty close to this, to be honest with you. The Beyond has a weird smell and a weird taste, and it's kind of off-putting. Just kind of bothers me. I like my burgers a little bit better, but when I don't have my burgers available, these are what I go for. So let's start on version number 2. Now version number 2 is for when you have 10 extra minutes to spare. So if you have 15 minutes to make a burger, this is the method you want to use. It starts with the bun, again, and then the burger must be cooked. Okay, so you want to start by putting your pan on medium heat. I have ours on 5, ours goes to 10. Then, a little bit of lubricant. I have some canola oil, just a couple of quick sprays. This is not the low-fat method, but it does actually taste really, really good. Now we get our burger. Place the burger in the pan. Notice no sizzle. Pan's not hot yet. Okay, so with the burger in the pan, our temperature, it's 263 degrees. That's still going, but hear that? A little bit of sizzle starting to cook. I usually go about 4 minutes per side, so see you in like 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, get underneath it with a plastic spatula if you're using a pan like this, and flip your burger. See that nice crust? That is what you get when you pan fry. Let that go for 3 minutes this time. After your 3 minutes is up, gently place a slice of cheese on the burger. Have a lid of some type ready to go. I'm using a wok lid. Add just a touch of water. Turn off the heat. Wait about 30 seconds. After the 30 seconds is up, remove your lid and find your perfectly melted cheese on the burger. Your buns should be ready. Take your burger, slide it onto the lower half bun. Again, add some lettuce, tomatoes, 3 pickles. Okay, 4 because that was a baby one. Ketchup, mustard. It always spits at me. Apply, a little squish, and now the cut. I don't normally cut my burgers, but you know, when I'm sharing it with someone, it's the polite thing to do. There we go. Now we're at the best part of every video. We get to eat them. Now this one should have just a little bit of crust on it, and it should have just a little bit more like a charred type of flavor. You cannot go wrong with Boca Burgers. They're just awesome. Now, a lot of people have issues with them because they overcook them. Gotta remember, this is already cooked. You don't have to grill the heck out of this. If you're putting them on a grill, literally like a minute and a half per side, and you're done. You do not need a whole lot of cooking.
Something else you don't have to do with Boca Burgers is you don't have to thaw them out. Those are frozen when we cook them.
Yeah, start with frozen all the time. If you let them thaw, that's the easiest way for them to dry out. This is just another example of why I feel that burgers are gourmet food. You can do almost anything you want with this. Now, if you want to make this a little bit healthier, do the whole wheat bun like we did. Leave the ketchup off, use mustard. You can even put salsa on there. That's a condiment that Derek actually likes. Leave out the cheese. Load it up with veggies. Put lettuce, tomato, onion, pepper rings. Pickles are not horrible. They have a little bit of extra salt. But you can really get a little bit crazy with these. Some spinach, things like that. And you can make this a very healthful thing, even though it does have some bread and it is still a burger. Now, one thing to remember, you don't want to eat a lot of these because they do have a fairly high amount of sodium. So be a little bit careful and you can have these in your diet, no problem. Well, I'm going to eat the rest of my burger. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.